Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you how I make my herbal baths for me and my daughter. So I have bay leaves, moringa, fresh orange peels, fresh key limes. I also have sea moss in here. I have rosemary, fenugreek, myrrh, ginger. I know it's a lot, but all of these herbs are beneficial. I'm adding myrrh right now. Myrrh kills bacteria in the body. It is an antidepressant. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. It relieves infections. And also, myrrh is in abundance in Ethiopia. Myrrh and frankincense. Now I'm adding ginger. Ginger contains antioxidants. See, when you have an abundance of things around you that contain anti-inflammatory properties, we have to use these things to our advantage. Ginger also contains a lot of iron and magnesium. Also, it is high in vitamin E. Consuming things that are high in vitamin E is very vital for your skin. Our skin is the largest organ on our body, so it's imperative on what we put on our body and what we bathe in. Try this recipe out the next time you take your bath and let me know how it works for you.